Yo, can't find my boy brow, and I vowed I would never leave the house without it. I am running super late to meet up with some of the girls to skate Lake Street. I'm in a tizzy. I think that's it. I think I got it. Oh, that's Sharpie. Okay, whatever. Let's go skate. Rocking the mama pants today. Beverly and Alvarado. Kind of scared. I'm winded. It's fast. Kind of a lot of people. But it's alright. Section right there. That thing is so fast. But here comes Taylor. And Evelyn!
No one could do it. Maybe start on that side because it's not so steep up here.
Woo!
Dang.
Yay! What time do the lights come on?
I don't know.
Cool. Round 3. Almost like 5 p.m. The park is kind of empty right now in the sun. It's pretty chill. Everyone's been friendly so far, pretty easy to work with. So I like that. I'll be right here. I'm so sorry.
You okay?
I'm good.
I got like the most babiest like rock to paper right now.
I remember. Woo! Yay! Killing it. I want to many off that thing.
I was kind of expecting people to like show up
Later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it. Take advantage.
Yep. Woo. Come through.
Stomach.
Yeah.
It's hard to get speed going out. Yeah, this little one. It's really steep.
Mm-hmm. And fast. Yeah.
so far?
I really like it. It's a cute spot.
So it's your first time, right?
Yeah. As long as like it's like this for the most part, which I'm sure it's not for sure, but I'm sure when it's packed, it sucks.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like literally like when you see it like that.
Okay.
Go for it.
Okay. Nose approach. Ollie. Okay. Let's do it.
Alright, you're up.
You got it.
Oh hell yeah, let's go. No, yeah, I got too busy here. Let's go hit that. Yeah.
So it seems like Lake Street has these bicycle thingies. What would you call them? Flip. You know what? We're gonna call them kickflip helpless because they are the cheesy. More of a dip. Always keep the bags together. Jeez. Hell yeah! So close. Yes! So full down there right now. We've had a pretty good session at Lake Street. It's generally friendly area. Yeah. I move a little bit. Deep darkness right now. We just left Lake Street and it was super fun. Any last thoughts regarding Lake Street? Lake Street?
It's real cute. Can get hectic when there's too many people.
Yeah.
But I like her.
Okay.
I like
Yeah.
Lake Street.
I say it's pretty safe and the people are kind of nice. They're nice for the most part.
For the
like,
most part, like
woo!